The Jade Hair Dryer blends beauty and wellness into your daily routine. We would like to introduce Checkpoint 3 of Beauty Products Laser Jade Wind. Checkpoint 1. Experience the power of Natural Jade Far-Infrared technology for healthy, radiant hair. Styling made effortless while caring for your scalp with every use. Feel the gentle warmth of far-infrared rays enhancing hair health from within. Scientifically tested for the beneficial effects of far-infrared energy. Checkpoint 2. Low-EMF and eco-friendly design ensures safe and sustainable styling. Designed with eco-friendly safety features for powerful and reliable daily use. Made from eco-conscious materials for both you and the planet. Advanced jade technology is now ready to be experienced in everyday styling. Checkpoint 3. Globally certified for quality, safety, and superior performance. Years of innovation are reflected in a strong portfolio of patents, designs, and global registrations. Laser Jade Wind delivers powerful airflow and jade technology for fast, healthy styling. The new Jade Dryer adds negative ion care for smoothness, natural shine, and balanced moisture. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.